guys, welcome back to my channel. If y'all are new here, my name is Caroline and you should totally subscribe and join the man fam. Today we are going to be packing for spring break. I leave in T-minus 3 hours. Lexi and I are going to be going on a trip somewhere. I'm not gonna tell you guys where. Y'all will probably find out by the time this video is up, but just in case, you'll have to wait for the actual spring break vlog. I need to put like lip oil on my lips right now because they're so like crusty and disgusting. Okay, perfect. I'm gonna show you guys how I pack every time I travel, except for this is kind of gonna be a little bit different because I'm gonna have 2 suitcases because I'm just that extra and I like to pack a lot of things. I tried to start this one the other night, which is gonna be my carry-on, but I need to get the big suitcase, which is gonna be checked in. But anyways, before I usually pack any clothes, I write down in my journal, particularly this one, a list of all the spring break outfits for each day. And this kind of helps me just, you know, organize my thoughts. I scope out the weather before, you know, if you've never done that, I would definitely recommend doing that. Once it's actually the day of packing, the first thing I always do is like the bag with toiletries, makeup, all that. So right now we're gonna pack my makeup. I'm gonna show y'all all the products I'm gonna be bringing. Both of my face powders. This one's Laura Mercier, this one's Glossier. Also, this bag is from Glossier and it is the most convenient makeup bag that I've ever owned in my life. Benefit Hoola Bronzer, Benefit Cookie Highlighter, Benefit Foolproof Brow Powder, Laura Mercier Blush. These 2 hair clips to hold my hair back when I do my makeup in the morning. These are really great. And I'm pretty sure that you can find these off of Amazon. Charlotte Tilbury Lip Liner, MAC Eyeliner in black, Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, Lash Food Lash Serum, Thrive Cosmetics Mascara, Iconic London Lip Oil, Charlotte Tilbury Lipstick in Pillow Top. Oh wait, I completely forgot the most essential thing. Cannot believe I just forgot that. Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer with SPF 25. This is my new favorite product. I've been using the Glossier Tinted Moisturizer forever, but this one makes your face literally glow. It's insane. That's what's all going in this bad boy. You can zip that up. All right, second bag is going to be filled with my makeup brushes. I don't take all of these makeup brushes. I don't even use all of these. Favorite bags to travel with are these ones from Glossier. So anytime that you order something from Glossier, they will ship it in a little like bubble wrap bag like this. And these are my absolute favorite because they're great if you want to put like your shampoos in them. Very durable and sturdy. All my brushes are in here and now my makeup portion is done. Let's move on to bathroom stuff.
Here it is. This is her large suitcase because she's taking too much stuff.
And how do you feel about that?
Great.
Look at that big whole thing. Okay, so we have the big suitcase, which is going to be checked in. I'm pretty sure I have to pay like $40 freaking to check this thing in, but you know what? Girls gotta do what a girl's gotta do. Let me take you guys to my bathroom. Oh wait, pause, rewind. I have to get my AirPods and charge them, and I have to charge my other camera battery. So that actually needs to come first. Let's go get my AirPods. Voila. I always forget to do this. I literally bring my AirPods and then I forget to charge them, so now we are good to go. All right, this is my big camera, which I sometimes film on, and I think I'm gonna bring it on this trip because we're gonna be at this place for so long. So, take out the battery and charge it. Okay, now we can do my bathroom, toiletries, all that stuff. So let me take out more of those bags. In this bag, I'm gonna put my shampoo and conditioner. Also in here, I'm gonna put my beauty counter cleanser and then my micellar water. I use this to take my makeup off and it is really good. For this bag, this one's a little bit smaller. I'm going to put this toothbrush that I got from my parents' bathroom. Does anybody else's family just have like a big stock of toothbrushes and brand new toothpaste? Because I feel like our family may not be the only one that does that. I'm also gonna add my Summer Fridays face oil, my prescribed cream for my face, and then this Summer Fridays Dream Oasis Deep Hydration Serum. And then I'm gonna put in this cream for dry skin. Got one more bag, and this one is not from Glossier. This is from ethnicity, which is such a good brand. They have like those patches that you can put on your face. And actually last night I was FaceTiming my friend Layton, and I did this face mask from ethnicity. It's the pore vacuum, and it is really, really, really good. So in here, gonna have my makeup wipes and my Billy razor, but I'm actually gonna change out the head right now. So let's do that. This is what the refill packs look like on the Billy razors. So I just put a new head on, and then it comes also with this little travel case, and you just stick it in like that, and you're good to go. I'm gonna probably put more things in this bag once I get back into my room, but the very last bag, I forgot about this because I might start my period on the trip, is packing all of my feminine products. So this is my drawer, welcome. We've got night pads, day pads, tampons, and liners here. These are all from the brand vsco, which is like a very sustainable brand that is run and owned by females. Let's add some stuff in here, just in case, you never know. All of the bags are packed, and now we can start doing clothes, my favorite. Hair is definitely going up. I have a love-hate relationship with hair clips because I feel like it doesn't hold my hair usually. And when it does, it's just not the way that I want it to look. Like, what is going on? Let's start with the big suitcase and put all of the things that cannot go on a plane. So basically all of my toiletry bags are gonna go in here. Ooh, wow, this is big. I'm gonna put some like padding, I guess, in here. So I've got this cute little jacket from Windsor that's gonna be great in case it gets cold outside. So we'll put that there. I'm gonna actually put one more jacket down. I got this Princess Polly little puffer. I've been bringing my super puff from Aritzia literally everywhere I've traveled, but I kind of want to change it up. Bring some of my other puffer jackets, and this is a really good one. That. Now we can start laying down all the toiletries. I forgot I need to add deodorant into this bag. For anyone wondering, this is my favorite deodorant. It's the Degree Motion Sense Shower Clean. Now that we have a good base, I'm gonna get some shoes from the garage and lay that on top of this. So here's the dilemma. These are like not even all of my shoes. Basically all of them are literally white. Now I understand why this frustrates my mom. I just don't know what to bring. Air Force Ones. I'll bring my Converse. Oh wait, I should probably also bring the Steve Madden sandals. I bring those everywhere. Okay, yeah, we're gonna take that. Just for funs and giggles, we'll bring those. I'm probably gonna wear my Air Force Ones. I've got these boots from Windsor, which are literally so cute. Then I've got my Steve Madden platform sandals. Literally, I've had these for like 4 years. It's kind of crazy, but I still have them. Converse, just simple white high tops. And then finally, I've got my On Clouds, which are the comfiest shoes ever. Ew, disgusting. Yuck. And yeah, those are all the shoes that I'm gonna be bringing. I have to do my clothes, but I really don't want to do that. On the other side of the big suitcase, there's like little pockets. So this is where I'm going to put my socks, underwears, and bras and swimsuits. I'm an extremely indecisive person when it comes to swimsuits, but socks and underwears I really don't care about. So let me go do the socks and underwears first. Right, for swimsuits, I don't think we're gonna be going that much to the beach, but in case we do, I wanna wear this little bandeau top, maybe some like white or black bottoms. Yeah, and then these bottoms. I just changed into my airport fit. Now we can actually begin the clothing packing. I'm gonna show you guys what outfits I have in mind. Like, I'm literally just gonna show you guys the whole thing. So first I have my pajama set from Skims. Lexi actually got me for Christmas. I literally wear this all the time. It is the comfiest thing ever. Next outfit I'm gonna be wearing in, oh, I just said the place, oops, is this dress from Brandy Melville. It is so cute. It's like a long sundress. Next outfit I have, the base layer is gonna be this white tube top from Aritzia. And then I have this pair of overalls from Billabong. So it's like cute little ties at the top and then very long pants at the bottom. This is adorable. I cannot wait to wear this. Next outfit, I'm really excited for this one. I got this Urban Outfitters top last time I was in California. It's like a halter top that you tie around your neck like this. And I wanted to pair that with these cute little corduroy pants. They're high-waisted, cinched, and then flare bottoms. Pretty sure that this is all this suitcase can take right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and close it, and then we can move on to my away suitcase. Another outfit that I'm gonna be wearing is this Windsor sweater. It's like a cable knit, cute little off the shoulder sweater. It is so comfy. I wish you guys could feel this through the screen. Then I've got this skirt from Sunday Best. Look at how adorable this is. So I'm gonna pair that with the sweater. Next outfit is going to be this Urban Outfitters retro halter tank. So cute. And I have these Aritzia shorts that are kind of like longer shorts, but I think it'll look really cute with that top. Next outfit is a long sleeve button up with like a pinstripe pattern. This is from Brandy Melville. I'm bringing a really cute bralette, so I'm probably gonna wear the bralette under this, and then these Aritzia high-waisted shorts. And another outfit I have is this tank that says New York on it. It's kind of got like a little polo cut look. And then I'm gonna pair it with some long Paxson jeans, which look like this. Now let me put all that back in here really quickly. I'm gonna be at this place for 9 days, and I think I wanna bring some like extra sweatpants, hoodies, all that stuff, because I always wear those things. I'm gonna go pick some out in my closet really quick. Okay, I'm gonna bring this on the plane today. Then I got this hoodie. This is from H&M. It's a really great staple one, and if you're looking for like good quality hoodies that are very inexpensive, go to H&M. These shorts from Aritzia, which I'm probably just gonna wear in case I want to lounge around in this. I'm gonna bring my $5 Marshall pants that I literally wear all the time, and they're so comfy, and I just can't get over the fact that they are $5. And then last thing I'm gonna bring are these little tie-dye sweats. These are so comfy. Old Navy has the comfiest sweatpants ever. So my airport fit is gonna be obviously this, plus the Air Force Ones and the sweatshirt, and then I'm also gonna wear my aloe hat. So I actually did forget some things that I need to do. I need to pack my jewelry. Oh, can you guys see my little setup that I had you guys on? This is what we're working with. My jewelry, ponytails, all that stuff, because I'm gonna do some hairstyles there, and my backpack that I'm gonna take on the plane. So first off, let's do my backpack, and then we'll do the jewelry. This is the backpack that I'm gonna be bringing. It's a cute little California backpack. I'm just gonna start filling it with things that I would normally put in there. First and foremost, we have my computer, obviously. Then I need my chargers. I'm gonna keep letting that one charge, so I'm not gonna grab that one yet. I'm gonna bring a book, and for this trip, I'm gonna bring Pride and Prejudice. I'm trying to think what else. I'm gonna need my cameras, my white camera. I'm gonna obviously need to take this camera, and all my batteries are now charged, so we can get that. And then for jewelry, I kind of want to pick out some jewelry before I actually go to the airport today. Can't forget the tripod, wallet, and keys. Let's see what we want to wear today. I also took out my JBL speaker because I kind of want to bring this. I don't know. This is gonna be today's jewelry for the airport. lots of hearts and stuff. So I have this little box that I got from Urban Outfitters. It's so cute. It's like a little mini travel jewelry box. There's already some things in here. Oh, there's even more gold jewelry. Some bracelets and some hoops, but I'm gonna refill this up. Entry, door. We're leaving the house right now. So I just packed my keys and my wallet inside my bag, and then I was like, I still gotta go to the bank and get cash. So that's what we're about to do. Ignore this yoga mat in the back. It's kind of unaesthetic right now, but that's okay. So I grabbed an Alani Nu drink. I'm about to literally cry. Let's open it. I'm so freaking excited. Oh my god. You're kidding. That's exactly what I needed today. Lexi and I's flight is at 3:15. Ew, why is my car making that noise? Lexi and I's flight is at 3:15 today, and I think she's gonna come over at like 12 or something because I have lunch for her and I to eat before we go. I just said that sentence really badly. I haven't even told you guys anything. Okay, I'll give you guys some hints. So where we're going, she and I are just gonna be by ourselves. We're flying solo. It's like a little, my birthday is gonna be like a couple days after we get back. So it's kind of like a little birthday thing. I'm doing little birthdays with my friends, but this is also like our senior spring break trip that we wanted to do. Well, that I really wanted to do. And then I just, you know, was like, hey, you wanna go with me? So she's coming with me. I love traveling with Lexi. Her family took me to New York for her 18th birthday, and we just had such a great time. It was literally the most fun I've ever had. Where am I trying to go with this? So I need to go to the bank and get $100 cash, but in tens, because we are going to be taking transportation when we arrive at a place that is not going to be Uber. Well, maybe we'll ride in an Uber on some days, but I'm literally so excited. I can't believe we're leaving. Oh, okay, so today's Thursday, by the way. We're missing school today, Thursday and Friday. So I took my test for government yesterday in study hall. You guys, I was so nervous. Crossing my fingers that I did good. I emailed all my teachers, took care of everything. And so now I can just enjoy and relax. All right, I just got back from the bank. Cash is secured in the envelope. Yeah, let's party.